So I can make Spider-Man 2014 in gacha online. Anyway, let's make him. Real hair. 300 and 455. Glasses. 1100 and 259. Shirt. 34. Sleeve. 900 and 274. Gloves. 9. Pants. 900 and 262. Shoe. 5. Nope, forgot about that stupid and dumb spider. Well, it already would have been shown anyway. Well, here's that color, and you're finished. Here's the color for hair. Color 1, face AC. Oh wait, no, face AC, I forgot. Okay, I did not know this until I did not say anything about face AC. Okay, face AC. 1100 and 434. Yeah, and here's the color for color 2. Shirt color. Pants the same. Outline color 2 is the same from outline. And you're finished. Oh, this is the same size, so just do it. Yeah, you're finished.